Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the Improve Security on the Web for Everyone feature in Chrome on your PC. This can be helpful if you prefer to customize your browsing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Look for the 3 vertical dots located at the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on them. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on the Settings option. Step 4. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Privacy and Security section. Step 5. Within the Privacy and Security settings, locate and click on the Security tab. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Safe Browsing section. To disable the Improve Security on the Web for Everyone feature, simply toggle the switch beside it to the off position, and that's it. You've successfully disabled the Improve Security on the Web for Everyone feature in Chrome on your PC. Now you can browse the web with your preferred settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.